Up on the rod. Woohoo. Yeah, the Montague. Nice. This thing's got something on its side. What's going on? You're stabbed in the side, buddy, with something. I can feel it. Hope you didn't get pierced from something, bud. I'll let you go, though. Go ahead, buddy. There it is. One down. Little guy. Let him go. Okay, let's see what we got. Got something out there that's fighting me. Yeah. It's a brookie. Nice little brookie. Hey, brookie, come here. Come say hi. Of course not. You want to escort me. Get me all wet instead. Come here, brookie. Oh, you go over there. Nice flutter. Nice brookie. There it is. Nice brook trout. On bamboo. Nice. Okay, I can let you go, buddy. Thank you for the photo shoot. Take off. There it is. Another one. Gotta dry the rod this time. I'm gonna take your picture. Little one up at the top here. Let him go. Come on. Oh. All set. Oops. Not good. That's not what you want to do to a bamboo rod. might be in the gut. Gotta get it off. Big fish. I think it might be in it. Anyway, hope it's down in it. It might be in it. Come here. Relax. Get off. Let me help you. Yeah, it's in you. You're getting cut off. Oh, here's a nice one for today. Really nice brookie. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Cut this one off. Come on, buddy.